Hello, my name is Dr. Muhammad Muspa Shaheen. Today we are going to know how to mix glass ionomer cinemat properly. There are 6 different types of glass ionomer cinemat available in market according to their uses. Type 1 glass ionomer cinemat is used for luting purpose. Type 2 glass ionomer cinemat is used for restoration purpose. Type 3 glass ionomer cinemat is used for lining and base purpose. Type 4 glass ionomer cinemat is used as a Paton-Fisher sealant. Type 5 glass ionomer cinemat is used as orthodontic cinemat, and type 6 is used for core buildup. In this video I will show how to mix glass ionomer cinemat for luting, base and restorative purposes one by one. First of all, I will do mixing for luting purpose. Armamentarium for the mixing of GIC for luting purpose are glass slab. Glass slab should be neat and clean, not chilled as required in the mixing of zinc phosphate cinemat, cinemat spatula, and glass ionomer type 1 cinemat, as all of we know that type 1 is used for luting purpose. Here you can see this is type 1 glass ionomer cinemat, and this is liquid for mixing of glass ionomer cinemat type 1. Glass ionomer cinemat is dispensed in the form of powder and liquid. Now the powder liquid ratio for glass ionomer cinemat for luting purpose is 1.8:1 by weight. It means if we take 1 scoop of powder, then we will take 2 drops of liquid. Mixing time is almost 45 seconds to 1 minute. Working time is almost 2 minutes. Setting time is 4 to 5 minutes depending upon which type of glass ionomer cinemat we are using. Powder liquid ratio for glass ionomer cinemat is very critical. You have to use it in a particular ratio, and if you increase or decrease the powder liquid ratio, it is going to compromise onto the properties of glass ionomer cinemat. So before mixing the powder, we need to dispense the powder. In order to have uniform mix, you just tilt the bottle upward downward in this way, so there is a uniform distribution of powder particles. And then you will take 2 scoop of powder, like this. Dispense the powder onto glass slab on one side. I will take another scoop. Take full scoop. Dispense onto glass slab. Now I will divide this powder into 4 or 6 equal increments. two increments should be smaller in size and two increments should be larger in size. Now I will dispense liquid onto glass slab. Tilt the bottle vertically so a full drop of liquid could dispense. As I have taken 2 scoops of powder, so I will take 4 drops of liquid. Because powder to liquid ratio is almost 1:2. Here I take 4 drops of liquid. Now I will mix first increment into this liquid for almost 10 seconds. Mix the first increment quickly on a shorter surface, unlike in zinc phosphate cinnamon, where we will mixing on larger area in order to dissipate heat. Now I will mix the next increment. Now add next increment. Mix each increment for 10 to 15 seconds. Now I will incorporate last increment into this mix. Now the mix is ready to be used as a luting. You can see the glossy surface of the mix. This is because of unreacted polyacid ions which can react onto the tooth surface. If you have a dull surface, that means there is a insufficient amount of polyacid ions, which will be very difficult for acid to bond onto the tooth surface. This is the proper consistency we have achieved for luting. You can see the strings when I left spatula against the surface of slab. The final mix should have almost 1 inch long string when we left the spatula. This is the whole mixing procedure for luting purpose. Now I will show the mixing for restorative purpose. Armamentarium are same as for luting except GIC powder type. Here we will use type 2 glass ionomers sinuate. As all of you know, type 2 glass ionomers sinuate is used for restorative purpose. The other armamentarium are same, the silver spatula and glass slab and a scoop to dispense powder. Powder liquid ratio for restorative purpose is almost 2.7:1. It means if we take this scoop of powder, then we will take 1 drop of liquid. Mixing time is almost 45 seconds to 60 seconds. Working time is almost 2 to 3 minutes and setting time is 3 to 4 minutes. Technique of mixing is same as for luting. First of all, we will dispense powder onto glass slab. Tilt the powder bottle upward downward so there is a uniform distribution of powder particles. Now I will take 2 scoops of this powder like this, dispense onto glass slab on one side. Now I will divide this powder into 4 equal increments. Two increments will be smaller in size and the another 2 increments will be larger in size. Now I will dispense liquid onto glass slab. As I have taken 2 scoops of this powder, so I will dispense 2 drops of liquid. Okay, I have dispensed 2 drops of liquid. Now I will mix first increment for almost 10 to 15 seconds into liquid like this. Incorporate next increment. First 2 increments should be mixed for almost 20 seconds. Now I will add next increment into the liquid. Now I will add the last increment into the liquid and mix it for almost 30 seconds. So this is the perfect consistency for restorative purpose. Here you can see the mix is ready for restoration. Here you can see there are no strings. The consistency is putty-like, which is perfect consistency for restorative purpose. This filling material we will put into the cavity and condense it. This is all from today's practical. Thank you so much.